lokhu okwenzakala eDington ayiyalimala lapho kodadewethu ebawaqomile namakwelekwele othi wamela abashana sekhona abashana bethu kumele sihlale phansi izulu omnyama lesichitha ingcubunga ukuthi sikuthini lokhu ngoba noma ngabe umshana wami uzalwa ikwelekwele alihambe ikwelekele sala umshana.
Why are black South African women allowing themselves to be the playground for foreign nationals in this country? The king of the Zulu nation is asking a very valid question and is raising a very